Hello and guten Tag. My name is Max. This is making... Something's wrong. The acoustics? I don't know what... Well, what the... Let me get that stuff out of the way. Just... what the... sorry. So... Anyways... Hello and guten Tag. My name is Max. This is Make Modify, and we did not talk for a while now. Sorry for that. So, this is more of an update video on what was up, and 2 years ago when I did my last video, I had just finished my bachelor thesis and was looking for a job. And then I got a job. My baby was born and we moved to another town. And yeah, then life happened and here we are 2 years later. Everything's settled down now. The job is fun, the baby's well, and getting more and more selbstständig, German word. Yeah, I'll put that here. Yeah, and now I have maybe an hour or so each evening, and yeah, with an hour a day you have to decide if you do projects or videos. If you do both, you don't finish any of both. I tried it. So yeah. Anyways, it seems like I'm getting a bit more time, and yeah. So this is more of an update video, a vlog. Where am I? I'm obviously no more in the room in my flat, in our flat where I filmed before. This was in a bigger apartment building, and yeah, the space was not enough. The room I shot my videos in was the room which was dedicated to the kid, and yeah, we had to move. We moved to a house. This is the basement. I'm just starting to build a workshop here, but it's a mess. But hey, I wanted to make an update, and here it is. Yeah. Anyways, I will maybe do a bit more vlog style, or I'll have to find another way of making videos. In the past, I had the time to produce them a bit better, I think, but if I would try it like that, I wouldn't do videos. Yeah, so anyways, yeah, what am I working on at the moment? The blue thing in the back, which you can see here, was an old press, which I am trying to build a little hand crank injection molding machine from. Yeah, since I'm in the basement now, I can do a lot more dirt and noise, and yeah, so I have a CNC machine now, which you will maybe see later. I'll show you around later. So yeah, injection molding machine. At the same time, I'm still heavily into keyboards. I built quite some, as you might have seen on my Instagram, but yeah, I don't post too much there too. So yeah, the last keyboard I built was calling for a cyber deck, and so I'm building a cyber deck at the moment, which I plan to document and show you guys. What else? Yeah, in the past I did a video on a small pressure chamber from PVC pipes, and if you take the right pipes, as I mentioned in the video and in the comments and in the description, if you take the right pressure rated pipes, it's perfectly safe. But there's a lot of danger that people just take any random PVC pipes, and yeah, I found a better way. It's almost a bit cheaper, and it's a much safer. So I'll do a video on that. That will be a bit more, yeah, hands-on style, I'd say. So yeah, Looking around, yeah, the workshop is a mess. There are boxes everywhere, since I am not completely moved in yet, and this is hard for me, but I'll show you what I'm working with. So first of all, let me turn on the big light and get these pipes out of the way and show you around. So a small tour on this not so cleaned up workshop, but I'm working on it. Yeah, this is my work in progress injection molding machine. It is basically an old, what are these called? Arbor press? It's a press. It was pretty rusty as I got it, and I cleaned it off and repainted it, and now it works fine again. Basically, you can turn this wheel and get up to 8 tons of pressure, I guess. Yeah, I think 8 tons was it. And I did not modify this press in any way. I just added this plunger, which is basically just a linear rod for linear movement. Then I added a tube with a cutout to add the material. It can move a bit. For retraction there's this spring, 2 heating bands, and a thermocouple. Let's see if we can see that. On the bottom there are 3D printer nozzles, which I opened up with a drill bit. And on the left there's my PID controller. And this already works pretty good. Only thing left to do is make some good molds, because I tried to print some with the standard resin on the Elegoo, and this only lasts 1 to 5 shots, and then it breaks down. So I'll have to machine some from aluminum, I guess, or use some high temperature resin, which I don't feel like buying at the moment. There's my drill press, and in the back is a bandsaw, which I'm super happy to have. This one came from my dad, who bought a new one, so I could have this one. Anyways, everything is standing on this table, built from 40/40 extrusion, with wheels, so I can turn it if I need the bandsaw, which is not so often, but I like it if I need it. So anyways, the main workbench, which is a total mess at the moment, and yeah, here you can see another drill holder, drill press thing, which I wanted to turn into another injection molding machine, but I'll see if I do that. The pressure rocket, for which I have a really better solution now, which will be the next video, I think. Yeah, I have a proper vise now, which I got from eBay Kleinanzeigen, which is like Craigslist in Germany, and cost me 20 bucks, quite a bargain. And yeah, vacuum cleaner, yeah, some place to put some stuff, still a lot of boxes from moving, and my air compressor. Air compressor is one of those things where you don't think you need it if you don't have it. If you have it, you don't think you can live without it. Yeah, then a bit more mess, and my storage area, which is basically a shelf which holds most of my stuff that is not in boxes yet, or no more, whatever. And there's my little CNC machine, which looks like what at the moment, because I'm currently adding a 4th axis, so I could maybe one day turn a screw, an injection screw, we'll see, if I find the time. Controlled by a little touch PC from eBay, quite a bargain, to be honest. In the back is an old Delta printer, which was my dad's printer. We'll see if I can revive it. my 3D printer, own construction, and an Lego mouse. A space heater because it's winter in Germany and it's quite cold down here. Well, at the moment it works. It's, let me see, 17 degrees Celsius. It's okay. In this area is where I want to do electronics and soldering and stuff. It's a mess at the moment, but I don't get to do much electronics at the moment anyway, so okay. As you can see, I have a 3-phase power supply now, which I need for my bandsaw and for maybe other equipment. I don't have a door, so I have a curtain. Yeah, might fix that one day. For some reason, when we moved in, I thought it was a good idea to paint these tubes, maybe as a backdrop. We'll see. I don't regret it yet, just something special. And there's another door with oil for ours. Put that there, down here, yeah. Anyways, once we move to gas, maybe I will have this room as additional workspace. And that completes this room. So, that will be the workshop. I also have a garage where I do some wood stuff, but at the moment that's more for the car. Yeah. Thank you for still being here. I guess you meanwhile forgot that you had me on your list, but yeah. Thank you for staying with me. Maybe you stay a bit longer. Anyways, I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and also this is the sentence of another YouTuber. Thanks for watching, and I'll be back.